Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.info, and today I have another unboxing of Charlotte Tilbury that I'm going to do today. She sent me a nice gift, so let's get started. So I want to start by letting you know I'm a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte Tilbury, and part of the program is you complete challenges, do videos, helping her promote her product. And in return, we have tiers that if we do the videos or whatever she's asking us to do in the challenges, and we meet a certain tier, that's when the goodies come in. So I've been doing that, and she sent me another gift box, which I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you what I got. So let's see. It's all skincare, first of all. So the first thing I got is Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. Now, I use this product. I love this product. I don't know if you've tried it yet, but I'm going to tell you that it gives your skin a really, really nice glow. It helps make your skin look firmer and smoother. It definitely hydrates the skin. Of course, the glow, that is the main thing that it really does. And it also reduces your pores too. So if you have large pores, it helps to shrink the pores a bit and make your fine lines look less visible. This has vitamin C, niacinamide, and I can't even replexium peptide. I'm not sure what that is, but in any event, I do use this product, and I really, really do like it. It really does contribute to like that healthy, flawless glow that Charlotte is known for. Let's see, what else did I get? Ooh, now this I haven't tried yet, and I'm excited that she sent me this. This came out, I think, last year. It's Charlotte's Magic Water Face Cream. It's a day cream. It is for normal to oily skins, and it's super hydrating. It's lightweight. It's a gel cream moisturizer. I'm actually going to open it because I have not tried this product yet, so I want to give it a try. And look at the size. Like, same thing with this. I mean, she is very generous with her products. When she sends you a gift, she does not skimp, let me tell you. Now, it doesn't have like a perfumey smell, but I do love the way her creams smell. They smell, I don't know, they just smell really, really fresh. I love it. So I'm going to put a little bit on my hand first to see how it is. And I have to say, it's cool because it does feel like a gel. It's creamy. See, it looks like a cream, but when you put it on, it's like a gel. Ooh, and it's very soft. It's very soft and smooth on the skin, I have to say. I'm definitely going to like using this. I think for me, this is going to be my summertime moisturizer because right now it's winter and my skin is extremely dry and I need as much moisture as possible. And this is more for a normal to oily skin, so I'm probably going to use this in the summertime when my skin is definitely a little bit more oily because we get a lot of humidity here where I live. And I'm going to use this in the summer and under my makeup in the summer to help with keeping my skin less shiny. So far I got those two products, and then last but not least, I got this product. And this is Charlotte's Magic Cream, her original Magic Cream that she is known for. This is an award-winning cream. This has been written up in magazines. It is an award-winning cream. Okay, this also is extremely hydrating. I'm going to open it up. Once again, look at the size. This is a full-size product. This retails for $100, as does this. And she sent it to me because I'm an affiliate with her and for doing the challenges. So, and she sent me this, and I don't know what this goes for. I think this goes for like between $60 and $70, the serum, I think. But serums are high. They're meant to be, you know, serums are good for the skin. So they're always going to be on the higher end. But that's a nice gift right there. That's over $250 right there, sent to me. Now this also, I'm going to open it up. Oops. Same thing. Has a really nice smell to it. It's not, like I said, it's not a perfumey smell though. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this on this hand. And just so I can explain the difference. I almost smell rose water. I do smell something, but it's very, very light. It's not a fragrancy smell. I'm going to say rose water. I know it's in her Glow Toner, the rose water. So I'm going to say it could be rose water. But anyway, yeah, it might be. The difference is they both feel extremely soft on my skin, but this one is going to be a little more emollient. Okay, it's a little bit heavier, a little bit richer. When I say a little, I mean a little. You know, it's not heavy, heavy duty. It's not like her Magic Night Cream, which I have not tried yet. I want to try her Magic Night Cream for nighttime because that is going to be the richest of creams for nighttime. But this one, my skin feels soft. This one, my skin feels soft. But this one definitely feels a little bit lighter because it's a gel. It's a gel cream. And it actually kind of feels, the gel cream, the Magic Water cream feels almost cooling to the skin, which will be nice in the summer because it's hot. And if you've been in the sun, I bet you this will feel good on the skin just to kind of cool things down. This one is definitely richer, kind of warmer, if you get the picture. So this is the moisturizer that I use right now for wintertime when you're more dry. Or if you're just dry in general, you want to use the Magic Cream Moisturizer. So these are the wonderful products that I received from Charlotte for being a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate. So I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm going to put all my information down below in the description. My link, my Magic Beauty Stars link, where you can get these products. And also be sure when you click my link, there's a 15% discount code. If you've never shopped online with Charlotte before, you can use my 15% discount code and buy each of these products and more for 15% off. It does not include bundles though. My code won't work on bundles or any special pricing if there's anything that's been on sale or discounted, any bundles, or virtual consultations. That's separate. The bundles and the special pricing has already been lowered, so that's the price. So my discount won't work on that. But if you were to buy this and this and this and a lipstick and a blush and a foundation, you're going to get 15% off your entire order. And if you're interested in becoming an affiliate, I'm also going to drop that link below too. So if you happen to be a makeup artist, also, if you're a makeup artist, make sure you apply to Charlotte's Pro Makeup program. If you get approved, you do have to fill out an application, show your credentials. If you get approved, you're going to get 30% off on the website. So every time you want to buy product, you're going to get 30% off your purchases. And then if you decide to join the affiliate program, One Better, you get to promote the products, make commission on anyone that clicks your link, that buys from your link. You're going to make commission on that, as well as occasionally she likes to send us really nice gifts just for all our hard work, which I like. And I don't know any affiliate program that does that. So that is really, really cool. And like I said, she doesn't skimp. Like these are full-sized products, people. So really, really cool. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you need help with color matching, picking out products, getting the right skincare for you, whatever, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you. And like I said, everything is going to be down below in my description. If you decide you want to be an affiliate, you could fill out the application for that. If you decide you want to sign up for the Pro Artist program and get 30% off your purchases as a makeup artist, you can do that. As well as my link if you just want to buy these fabulous products and get 15% off. So I hope you're having a great day. And like I said, if you like my video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my video. It's greatly appreciated. And I hope you're having a great day. Hope you have a great evening. And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.